Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, new tokens, and I always try to introduce those sites to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with a great investment site for you and you can invest a small amount to get a great income. So let's move towards site. Let's know more about the plans and everything. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Global Binance. Invest for future in stable platform and make fast money. Invest in an industry leader, professional, and reliable company. We provide you with the most necessary features that will make your experience better. Not only we guarantee the fastest and the most exciting returns on your investment, but we also guarantee the security of your investments. So, of course, everyone needs the security of their amount. No one wants to lose their amount. And if you are tired of scams or work and you want to invest in a stable company, if you want a stable income and you want to invest, so this platform is for you. They are giving you complete security of your investment and you can go with them. All you have to do is to create your account, select your desired plan and start earning. So you can know more about Global Binance from their website. You have every detailed information here. And then let's talk about their investment plan. So we have many plans. You can choose whatever plan suits you the best. To make a solid investment, you have to know where you are investing. Find a plan which is best for you. First plan is Platinum, which you will be getting return of 0.56% every day for 360 days. The total will be 201.6%. The minimum you can deposit in this plan is $2,500, and then the second is Ruby, from which you will be getting 0.56% for every day, and minimum you can invest in this is for $1,000. The gold plan and then the silver plan. For gold, the minimum amount you need to invest is 500, and the silver you can invest in $300. So you can invest as low as $300 and you can start earning from $300. Even you can start earning from $100. So the minimum and the least plan is bronze plan, for which you have to deposit at least $100. So you can select your favorite plan, whatever plan suits you the best, and then you can start earning. So if you're thinking that why you should choose Global Binance, so our goal is to provide our investors with a reliable source of high income while minimizing any possible risk and offering a high quality service. So they have mentioned the features they are providing, like it is a legal company, of course, so you don't have to worry about your investment. You are investing in a secure platform, then high reliability, anonymity, quick withdrawal, and the minimum amount to withdraw is $10. You can have the withdraw of at least $10. Then refer program, you can earn by referring as well. They have given you offers. If someone joins by your refer, so you will be getting more income and commission on that. Then they're providing you 24/7 support system. You can ask them anything regarding their project, or if you want any help, you can contact them anytime. Then dedicated server, they are working on a dedicated server for the website, which allows exclusive use of the resources of the entire server. Then SSL secured and DDoS protection. They are using one of the most experienced, professional and trusted DDoS protection and mediation provider. Okay, so now we have profit calculator. You must know the calculation before investing in any plan, so you never make mistakes. Check out the calculation and you will get as a calculator says. So you have the calculator. You can calculate your amount, that what you will be getting by investing what. So you can calculate your amount right from here from the calculator, and then you will able to know what you will be getting and what plan you are choosing. You have to enter the amount you will be investing, and the profit will be calculated here. So how Global Binance work? Invest in our plans and earn daily returns in your wallet. All you have to do is to create your account, invest to a plan and get profit. This is a simple way to earn. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to create your account, deposit and start earning. Then you have some frequently asked questions. If you're thinking about the project, or if you have anything in your mind about the project. So go through these questions and you will definitely get the answers you want. Where can I deposit, and how do I check my account balance, how do I reset my password, how will I know about the successful withdrawal, and how much can I withdraw. Then we have some user comments. You can check out the user comments to know how the user's experience is with Global Binance. So we have Monalisa Thakur from India. I have invested with this platform and gotten my money in my account. This is a legit and safe. Great doing business with them. And we have more user reviews here. You can check it out, so you will have better vision that how users are enjoying this site. Then they have mentioned the team member details. You can go through it. You have the team members mentioned on the website as well. And the recent transaction, latest deposit you have, recent withdrawals, you will be able to check out right from here. And they have mentioned their top investors as well. So you don't need to waste your time. You just have to start now. And payment, they have mentioned that they will be accepting payment who accept all major cryptocurrencies payment methods to make your investment process easier with our platform. So you don't have to worry about payment methods as well. They are providing you many cryptocurrencies payments, PayPal, etc. So just don't waste your time. Start now, start deposit, create your account, deposit, and start earning. I'll let you know how you can create your account and how your dashboard will look like after signing in. You can even subscribe to the newsletter. Just submit your email address and you will be getting all the information directly sent to your mail. Okay, so now let's create the account, and we have to click on sign up link, and we will be redirected to the registration page. I have already created my account, so all you have to do is you create your account and then you can sign in. So here you can see your dashboard. You have your referral link for which you will be getting commission. You can share this link to your circle, to your social sites, social channels, to your friends, etc. And whoever joins by your referral, so you will be getting a commission on that. Then you have wallet details here. You can check out your deposit balance, your interest wallet balance, your refer earnings, etc. And you can see that you have got $10 as a deposit as a sign up bonus. As soon as you sign up, you will be getting $10 for sign up bonus. Then you can select your investment plan from here. As we have already checked the investment plan, whatever plan suits you, you can select that plan. Either you want to go for bronze, silver, gold, ruby, whatever plan, and just click on invest now, and you can invest in it. So the minimum amount you want to invest in bronze is $100. So first of all, you have to deposit your wallet. Of course, you have only $10 as a sign up bonus we have. So we have to go for deposit. Just click on the deposit link, and we will be redirected to deposit page. Select your method from which you will be depositing, like we are doing it by USDT TRC20. So click on deposit and enter the amount that you want to deposit. Like we want to deposit $100, and then click on next. So now we have the address. So we have the address to which we have to send the USDT TRC20, and the amount will be deposited to our account. So you have requested $100 USD. Please pay 101 USDT for successful payment. Please follow the instruction below. So you have to deposit your amount to this address, and then you have to click on submit, and your amount will be deposited to the account. And then for withdraw, you have to click on withdraw link, and you can select the amount which will be available on your account. So to withdraw, all you have to do is to enter the amount and select the preferred method from which you will be getting your withdraw, and confirm the transaction. And then we have recent transactions. You can check out your recent transactions from here. All of your wallet details, all of your history is mentioned on your dashboard. You can check it out, and then refers as well. You can see your refer commissions, the ones who have joined by your refers, everything on your dashboard. So you can even do your profile settings right from here, and you can transfer balance, support tickets, promotional tools, etc. And you can do profile settings if you want to change your password, etc. So everything you will find on this section. All right, so this was our project for today. I have told you everything about the project. All you have to do is to create your account, select your favorite plan, invest in it, and start earning. So I'll provide the link in the description. You can check out the project by yourself, go through their website, go through their plans, and you will definitely love it. So I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.